Manufacturing has its challenges. We have a worker shortage and a skills gap, and we deal with old paper-based processes. Labor shortage, job training issues, too many different Excel sheets, no outcome data visualization, no support out in the field, inefficient shop floor planning, and issues with manual assembly processes. Do you know these problems? Do you have these challenges too? Our digital toolbox offers special tools custom to your needs, similar to your analog toolbox with wrenches, pliers, and screwdrivers, but more advanced. With our manufacturing experience and certified digitalization competence, we are able to recommend the right solution for you. We help you to choose the right digital tools to improve efficiency and competitiveness, making sure your team fully utilizes new technologies, and we provide ongoing support to keep your tools effective over time. Ready to change? Contact us at DigitalituM. We are happy to help you on your digital transformation journey.